Hi, this is Brett from Extend Web Services. This tutorial is going to show you how you can log into the front end of your website and make changes. First of all, if you have elected to have that functionality on your website, there will be an admin login at the bottom of your page. And it's going to look just like this. So you go ahead and click on that, and using the username and password that I provided you, go ahead and add the information in there and hit login. And once you're logged in, it's gonna say hi and whatever your name is. So that way you know that you're logged in. Just from this point, all you need to do is go to the page that you want to edit. So let's say you want to change your About Us page. So click on the About Us page. Once you're logged in, every page that you enter is going to have a little icon next to it right here that says Edit Article. So once you click on that, that's going to open up your editor to where you can edit the website yourself. Now, if you need more space, which I sometimes do, in the screen, you just click here and drag down, and it will make your window a little bit bigger so you have some more room to work with. Some of the things that you'll need to know, it's simple. Like if you just need to change like a little thing, like let's say you made a mistake and you were actually, and this date had changed. Let's say we wanted to like 1980. So what I do is just change that and come up here and hit save, and that will save the article, save the changes, and then you'll be good. Some of the things that you can do inside this window, just some of the common things that you may need to know how to do, is let's say that you want to link something. I'm going to link, let's say I just want to link this word. Come up to this article right here. It's on the bottom row of icons. It's the fifth one from the right. It says Insert Edit Link. So click on that. And if you're going to link to an outside website, under URL, you just type in the link, or you paste in the link, whatever's easiest for you. So let's just say I want to make it go to Google. So then you do that. If you want to make the link appear in a new window, which I recommend if it's outside of the website, that way you don't steer users away from your website. So click on Open a New Window, hit Insert, and then now there will be a hyperlink right here to that link that you just assigned. Another thing that you may need to know is how to add a photo. So let's say I want to add a photo right here. So I'm going to click in the general area that I want to add the photo, and I'm going to click on this little icon here that says Insert Edit Image. That's going to bring up my image manager, and inside my image manager is right here in the middle section is all of the files that are currently on your server for you to use, the certain pictures and images that are available for you to use. They're all right here. So if you need to bring something in from your computer that you currently have, once you bring it in and upload it, it'll appear in this middle section here. So let's go ahead and pretend that you need to go grab a photo. So I'm going to hit Add, and let's see here. I'm just going to grab let's grab anything I can find here. Okay, so once you grab it, the file is going to appear right here. Then all you do is hit Upload, and once you hit Upload, then it's going to bring it onto the server. So then you want to close it out of here, and then the file that you chose will appear here in the middle. So let's say, for example, that we just brought in image 6. So click on image 6, and all of the information is going to appear up here. So it gives you the URL, which is the direct link to that image. It's going to give you the dimensions, the size, like the width and the height. We have proportional checked here. What that means is if I scale this, it's going to automatically fill in the other field to match the proportions. So then your alignment, you want to align it to the left. You can see the preview over here. What that did is that changed, that makes all the text wrap around the photo or the image. So if I put it over to the right, you can see that the text wraps around with the image on the right. And then you can put a little padding. I recommend usually about a 10 or a 12 pixel pad. What that does is just gives a little space between the text and the image. I always have equal values checked here, because what that does is it makes, once you fill in one, it will fill in the rest. And then if you want to put a border on it, you have the option of checking this to put a border on it. So then once you are good to go, you hit insert and the image will show up on the screen. And for now I'm not going to do that because I don't want to affect this website. So, but that's how images are added onto this. And lastly, if you want to change the HTML code, you click right here and this will bring up the code of your website. So if you ever need to get in and change any kind of information, any kind of code on there, that's how you would do that. So just hit save when you're done. I'm going to hit cancel because I don't want to save anything that I've done here. So you hit cancel, and then the last thing that I would ask you to do once you're done making your edits is to go back down to the admin login and log out, just for security purposes. But thank you for your time, and feel free to go to extendwebservices.com and fill out our contact form if you have any questions whatsoever. Thank you.